Hi friends, this is YVR. Welcome to YVR Maths tutorial. In this video, I am going to discuss about direction cosines. To understand the concept, watch the video till the end. Let us start about direction cosines. First of all, I will consider three-dimensional coordinate system. Draw x-axis, y-axis and then z-axis. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin. Consider a directed line or position vector OP, which is nothing but r bar. Now this position vector OP making an angles alpha with the positive direction of x-axis, beta with the positive direction of y-axis and gamma with the positive direction of z-axis. Now I will give you the description about this diagram. Consider the position vector OP bar or R bar of a point P x comma y comma z as shown in the diagram. The angles alpha, beta, gamma made by the vector r bar to the positive directions of the coordinate axis respectively. Then the angles alpha, beta, gamma are known as the direction angles. If alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a directed line OP with the positive directions of the coordinate axis OX, OY, OZ respectively, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of OP bar. Generally, they are denoted by the letters L, M, N respectively. That means L is nothing but cos alpha, M is cos beta, and N is cos gamma. Now, we discussed about direction cosines of a directed line or position vector from O to P. Suppose if we change the direction from P to O, then how can we define? Let us discuss about this here. Again, I will consider a three-dimensional coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, and then z-axis. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin. Previously, we considered a directed line from O to P. Now, I will consider a directed line from P to O. If we observe clearly, the angle between PO and OP is 180 degrees. As per previous discussion, OP makes angle alpha with x-axis. Now, PO makes angles pi minus alpha with x-axis, pi minus beta with y-axis, and pi minus gamma with z-axis. Now, I will discuss this diagram in descriptive manner. Since the directed line or position vector OP bar makes angles alpha, beta, gamma with OX, OY, OZ respectively, then the directed line PO, P2O makes angles pi minus alpha, pi minus beta, pi minus gamma with the same OX, OY, OZ respectively. So, the direction cosines of PO bar are cos of pi minus alpha cos of pi minus beta cos of pi minus gamma. We know that from the trigonometry basic knowledge, 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. That is cos 180 minus alpha minus cos alpha, and then second one minus cos beta, and then third one minus cos gamma. Already we know that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma can be denoted with the letters L, M, N. That's why minus L, minus M, minus N. So based on this discussion, every line should have two set of direction cosines. Now we will discuss some important note points. Already we discussed about direction angles. See here, first point, the angles alpha, beta, gamma are known as the direction angles and satisfy the condition 0 less than or equal to alpha, beta, gamma less than or equal to pi. That means the direction angles should be lies between 0 to 180, including 0 and 180. Now we will discuss about direction cosines of the coordinate axis. The direction cosines of the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis are 100, 010 and 001 respectively. Let us discuss about this. To discuss about this, now I will draw a coordinate axis. X-axis, y-axis and then z-axis. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin. Now I am going to discuss about direction cosines of x-axis. So consider a directed line OP which is on x-axis. That is, the directed line or position vector OP coincide with x-axis. If you observe here, the directed line OP coincide with x-axis. The directed line can also be taken as R bar. By observing the given diagram, the direction angles of OP with the coordinate axis are 0, pi by 2, pi by 2 respectively. How we are getting these angles? If we observe the diagram, the directed line OP is parallel to x-axis and it is perpendicular to y and z-axis. We know that if alpha, beta, gamma are direction angles, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are direction cosines. That means, what are the direction cosines of x-axis according to that concept? Cos 0, comma, cos 90, comma, cos 90. You know from trigonometry basics, cos 0 value is 1 and cos 90 value is 0. That means the direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. In the same manner, if the directed line coincide with y-axis and z-axis, then we will get direction cosines of y-axis and z-axis respectively. So finally, the conclusion is the direction cosines of the y-axis and z-axis are 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 respectively. Now we will discuss one more important point. If OP is a directed line segment with the direction cosines L, M, N and OP is equal to R, then the coordinates of OP are LR, MR, NR. To discuss about this, Again, I will consider coordinate system. Let us take y-axis, z-axis, and then x-axis. Point of intersection of coordinate axis is origin. Let us consider a directed line OP such that OP is equal to R, which makes an angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis, and gamma with z-axis. Now draw a perpendicular from the point P onto the y-axis. Then the distance from O to L is y units. Now I will discuss this diagram in descriptive way. Let the coordinates of P be x comma y comma z, and let PL be the perpendicular from P on y axis. If we observe the diagram clearly, OLP is a right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle, consider cosine trigonometric ratio. Cos beta is equal to OL by OP. That implies cos beta is equal to OL is y units and OP is R units, so y by R. As per our previous discussions, cos beta is nothing but m is equal to y by R. If you cross multiply, y is equal to mr. Similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from P point onto the z-axis and onto the x-axis, we will get the remaining x and z values. So, similarly, by drawing the perpendiculars on x and z-axis, we get x is equal to LR and z is equal to LR. Hence, the coordinates of P are LR, MR, NR. By using the above discussion, we can remember one important note point. If the coordinates of a point P are x, y, z and OP is equal to R, then the direction cosines of the line OP are x by R, y by R, z by R. Now we will discuss about the relation between direction cosines of a line. So let me discuss about this concept by taking a small theorem. If L comma M comma N are direction cosines of a line L, then L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So we will discuss about this theorem. As per previous discussions, we know that if the coordinates of a point P are x comma y comma z and OP is equal to R, then the direction cosines of the line are x by R, y by R, z by R. That is, cos alpha is equal to x by R, cos beta is equal to y by R, cos gamma is equal to z by R. So we know that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma can be denoted with the letters L, M, N. That is, L is equal to x by R, M is equal to y by R, N is equal to z by R. Now I am considering cos square alpha plus a cos square beta plus a cos square gamma. Now what is cos alpha? X by R. X by R whole square plus cos beta is y by R. Y by R whole square. Cos gamma is z by R. Z by R whole square. If you apply individual squares, then x square by R square plus y square by R square plus z square by R square. Now take LCM. LCM is R square. Then what we will get? X square plus y square plus z square by R square. Your numerator x square plus y square plus z square is R square. That means what we are getting here? R square by R square is equal to 1. Why R square value is x square plus y square plus z square? If you find the distance from O to P, P point is x comma y comma z, O is origin. If you find the distance from O to P, we will get root of x square plus y square plus z square. OP is nothing but r. If you squaring on both sides, then r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, finally what we got now? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, which is nothing but L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Based on this concept, we will discuss some important problems for IIT or your board exam also. If cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1, then find the following. First one, sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma, and the second one, cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. Let me discuss about solution. First one, as per trigonometry knowledge, we know that the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Now, sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to, based on the above trigonometric identity, this can be written as 1 minus cos square alpha plus 1 minus cos square beta plus 1 minus cos square gamma. Here 1 plus 1 is 3. From the negative terms, if you take minus common, minus of cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. As per our previous discussions, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma value is 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we will discuss about second bit. As per our trigonometry basic knowledge, cos 2a is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma is equal to, based on the above trigonometry formula, cos 2 alpha can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square alpha plus 1 minus 2 sin square beta plus 1 minus 2 sin square gamma. Here 1 plus 1 is 3. From the negative terms, if you take minus common, 2 sin square alpha plus 2 sin square beta plus 2 sin square gamma. From the second term, if you take 2 common, then 3 minus 2 into sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. From the first bit, sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma value is 2, that is equal to 3 minus 2 into 2, that is equal to 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. So the second bit we can solve by using another formula also. You know, from the trigonometric identities and trigonometric formulas, we have one more formula for cos 2a. So by using the formula cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, you can do this problem. Based on this class, I will give you the self-assessment for your IIT and board exam. So I am giving here 5 questions. So try to solve these questions. First question, if a line makes angles alpha comma beta comma gamma with the positive direction of coordinate axis, then write the value of first one cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta minus cos 2 gamma. Second one, cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. Third one, minus cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma. Second question, if theta is the angle given by cos theta is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with the coordinate axis respectively, then what is the value of theta? Third one, if the angles made by a line with the positive directions of x and y axis are complementary angles, then the angle made by the line with z axis is dash. Fourth one, if a line OP where O is origin makes equal angles with the coordinate axis, then find the point on P which is at a distance of 6 units from the origin. And fifth one, a line makes acute angles alpha, beta, gamma with the coordinate axis such that cos alpha cos beta is equal to cos beta cos gamma is equal to 2 by 9 and cos gamma cos alpha is equal to 4 by 9. Then find the value of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my class, subscribe, share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this video, if you want to get clarity from any of the problem what I given in this video, you can feel free to contact on my mail ID yvrhone